Did you know that more people have walked on the moon than have visited the deepest part of our own ocean, the Mariana Trench? It's true. Our planet is over 70% water, yet we've explored less than 5% of the seafloor. What secrets are lurking in that vast, dark expanse? Let's dive in and find out. The deep ocean begins where sunlight fades at about 200 meters down. This is the twilight zone, or the mesopelagic zone. Life here is weird and wonderful. Many creatures have developed bioluminescence, the ability to create their own light. They use it to attract prey, find mates, or scare off predators in the perpetual gloom. Imagine a world filled with living flashlights, like the eerie anglerfish with its glowing lure dangling in front of its razor-sharp teeth. It's a real-life light show, but not one you'd want a front-row seat for. As we descend further, past 1,000 meters, we enter the midnight zone. Here, the pressure is immense, the temperature is near freezing, and there is absolutely no sunlight. You'd think nothing could survive, but you'd be wrong. This is the realm of giants. Take the giant squid, for example. For centuries, it was the stuff of legends, a mythical kraken pulling ships to their doom, but it's very real, growing up to 13 meters long. We've only captured a few on camera. Their epic battles with sperm whales remaining one of the ocean's greatest untold stories. Then there are the hydrothermal vents. These are like underwater geysers, spewing superheated, mineral-rich water from the Earth's crust. Scientists once thought life needed sunlight to exist, but these vents proved them wrong. They support entire ecosystems based on chemosynthesis, where microbes convert chemicals into energy. Here you'll find bizarre tube worms, some over 2 meters tall, with bright red plumes that have no mouth and no digestive system. They rely entirely on bacteria living inside them to survive. It's like finding an alien city on the bottom of our own planet. But how do we even explore these depths? We can't just go for a swim. The pressure would crush us instantly. It's like having dozens of jumbo jets stacked on top of you. That's where submersibles come in. These are like personal submarines built with incredibly thick titanium hulls to withstand the immense force. Piloting one is a high-stakes mission. You're descending into total darkness, relying solely on sonar and powerful lights to navigate treacherous underwater mountains and canyons. Every new dive has the potential to discover a new species or a new geological feature. It's the final frontier of exploration right here on Earth. One of the most fascinating discoveries is the whale fall. When a massive whale dies, its body sinks to the abyssal plain. This single event creates a feast that can last for decades. First, scavengers like hagfish and sleeper sharks strip the carcass. Then, a whole new set of creatures moves in to colonize the bones, feeding on the remaining organic matter. It's a complete, self-contained ecosystem born from death, showing just how resourceful life in the deep can be. It's a powerful reminder that in nature, nothing ever truly goes to waste. But the deep ocean isn't just home to strange creatures. It's also a time capsule. The cold, dark, low-oxygen environment is perfect for preserving artifacts. Ancient shipwrecks like the Titanic lie on the seafloor, eerily preserved. These wrecks are not just historical sites. They become artificial reefs, providing new homes for deep-sea life. Exploring them is like traveling back in time, piecing together stories of human history from the silent depths. There are also mysteries we have yet to solve. Take the bloop, a powerful, ultra-low-frequency sound detected in the Pacific Ocean in 1997. It was louder than any known animal sound, leading to wild speculation about a colossal, undiscovered sea monster. For years, the mystery lingered. Scientists eventually concluded that the sound was most likely the cracking of a large ice shelf, but the story of the bloop captured our imagination. It reminds us that the deep ocean is so vast and unexplored. For a moment, we were ready to believe in monsters. And what about the Mariana Trench? The deepest point on Earth, nearly 11 kilometers down. The pressure here is over 1,000 times what it is at the surface, yet life persists. Scientists have found microbes, shrimp-like amphipods, and even a strange, translucent creature called the Mariana snailfish, thriving under these extreme conditions. These animals have evolved unique biological adaptations to survive. Their bodies made of substances that don't compress under pressure. They are the ultimate survivors. However, our impact is reaching even these remote places. Scientists have found plastic pollution in the deepest parts of the ocean, inside the bodies of the creatures that live there. It's a sobering wake-up call. This vast, mysterious world, which we are only just beginning to understand, is already threatened by our activities on the surface. Protecting the deep ocean is crucial, not just for the life it holds, but for the health of the entire planet. The deep ocean currents play a vital role in regulating our climate, and its ecosystems are a treasure trove of potential scientific and medical discoveries. The deep ocean is a world of extremes, of darkness and light, of immense pressure and incredible life. It holds the secrets to the origins of life on Earth and perhaps even clues to life on other planets. We've barely scratched the surface of what lies beneath the waves. Every new dive brings new questions and new wonders. The age of exploration is far from over. In fact, it's just getting deeper. What other secrets are waiting to be discovered in the dark, silent world below? The next big discovery could be just one dive away. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the abyss. If you were as fascinated by the deep sea as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. Let me know in the comments what deep sea mystery you find most intriguing. See you next time.